again. It's a rich thing.
Ooh, wee girl. Okay, let's talk about it because this intro is giving honey. Okay, so first off, this is a 13 by 6 20-inch lace frontal wig from AfSister. This is their curly lace frontal wig. Now this wig is on a bomb invisible Swiss lace, which just makes this wig just like even more perfect for me. So I want you guys to just take a moment and get into the parting space. Get into the hairline on this wig. Girl, listen, I love me a pre-plucked hairline and the pre-bleached knots on an invisible lace wig. Girl, I'm telling you, it is a whole vibe. One thing about it, AfSister do not play when it comes to their lace frontal wigs. I definitely think it is a company that is underrated that I hope becomes like more popular because their lace and their hairline on their wigs is just crazy. Like the simple fact that I did not do anything to this wig, it just blows me. Like, look at this hairline, y'all. And like, look how flat the lace lays on my skin. Like, y'all, I didn't even cut the lace. Like, I'm just now realizing it. The lace is still on my head. Do y'all see this? Girl. Okay, girl, so now it's time to get into this texture and define these beautiful curls, which is 150% density. So the first thing I'm going to do is just apply some curling mousse because I want to see what this wig looks like without adding any water. But because this wig is not secured down, I am going to tie the hairline down so that the wig doesn't move during the process of me detangling this hair. Because this hair is 150%, it is on the thicker side, so I just needed something to give me a little bit more secureness. But anyways, because the hair is so full, the mousse by itself did not really work on this hair texture. I had to go in and wet the hair first, then follow up with mousse. But the curls on this wig is so full and so beautiful. Like, this is, y'all, I'm loving this wig, clearly.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, girls, so the curls are defined, juicy, popping, and all of that good stuff, honey. So let's just talk about the final look real quick. So the curls on this wig is just beautiful, and I mean, it's just the perfect type of texture to go on this invisible Swiss lace. I would definitely recommend this company, especially when it comes to investing your money into a quality wig, for the simple fact that this wig comes with everything you need: a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, invisible lace. The curl pattern on this wig is crazy. If you wanted to straighten this wig and wear it in a different style, you can definitely do so, and you're still going to get a very nice install. So I'll make sure I have all the purchasing information below on this beautiful wig, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.